So I just woke up craving a classic Guyanese breakfast from back in my childhood. Let's go ahead and make it. Alright, I'm going to start by frying my plantains up. I already went ahead and seasoned them with all-purpose seasoning. And I'm using one green plantain and one half-ripe turning plantain. This will give you the perfect balance of savory and sweet. Once they are fried to your desired texture and color, you will remove and set aside. Next, I will add a little oil just to prevent my butter from burning. Once that is melted, I will come in with some onions and bell peppers. I will also add a little bit of seasoning here. Feel free to add whatever seasonings you like. I will be using some chicken bouillon, seasoned salt, garlic powder, and some black pepper. Give that a good stir and allow to simmer for about a minute or two just to soften up the veggies a bit. Next, I'll be adding my eggs, and I did not season the eggs. The seasonings from the vegetables will carry over into the eggs, so you do not need to season the eggs if you season the vegetables. We will add some fresh scallion and parsley here, and just allow this to cook to your desired texture. Once it's cooked on one side, I like to just flip it over, and I like a little bit of browning on my eggs. I like my eggs fully cooked. So yeah, once it was cooked on one side, I flipped it over, let it cook on the other side a little bit, and then remove and set aside. Here I'll be adding some sausage. You can use whatever sausage you like. I am using some cheddar cheese and jalapeño sausage here, and we will just cook them, brown them on both sides. Once it's done, remove and set aside. And you know it's in a real Guyanese breakfast without little milo on the side or some bush tea or something of that sort. So here I was fixing my milo tea, and yeah, absolutely amazing. This is my version of a classic Guyanese breakfast. I did serve it with some fruit on the side, some pineapples and strawberries, and it was chef's kiss. Give the recipe a try for me and let me know what you guys think. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. And I will leave all the ingredients and measurements in the description and the caption, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching and enjoy.